All right, I'm here with Bill the cat. Say hello, Bill. Yeah, well, I've got the 2019 Monkey here. I really like this bike, but one of the things it didn't have when I bought it was running lights in the turn signals in front. I have, as you can see, I have changed that. I've changed the wiring to make the turn signals running lights, and also upgraded them to LED bulbs as well. There we go. I added a couple of relay boards to get this accomplished. Use two relays to allow the turn signals to be illuminated all the time as running lights. And then when the handlebar switch is turned on for whatever right or left, those relays shut down, and these two relays will take over and perform the flashing function. I didn't want the same thing going on with the rear turn signals, so I ran the rear turn signals off their own two separate relays. They're on a separate circuit, but they do flash together. So nice crisp LED light performance here. All right.